Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to enable birthday notifications on Facebook Web from your PC with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop and never miss a friend's birthday again, this is the step-by-step you need. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture lives. Click that profile photo to open a small drop-down menu with quick options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy to reveal more choices. In the expanded area, click Settings. You'll be taken to a new page with a left-hand column of Settings categories. Scroll down until you find the Notification section. This is where you control how Facebook alerts you about activity on the site. Inside Notifications, you'll see several categories. Locate birthdays among them. This is the area that governs birthday-related alerts. Click Birthdays to open its settings. Now you'll see an option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Toggle this switch to the on position. When enabled, Facebook will push birthday reminders and alerts to your device as they approach, so you won't miss a single celebration. If you want to fine-tune further, you can sometimes adjust how these notifications appear. For example, push notifications versus email directly from the same birthdays panel or the broader notification settings. Make sure your browser and Facebook are allowed to send notifications in your system settings, so these reminders arrive reliably. A quick tip: if you're not seeing any birthday notices after turning on the setting, double check that you're logged into the correct account and that your notification preferences haven't been overridden by a broader Do Not Disturb mode on your device or browser.